Hello. On my poetry channel today, I'm going to uh, record two poems to be put out on Holocaust Memorial Day because they both relate to that unimaginable atrocity. The first of them is by a contemporary poet called Richard Leigh, whom I know and who has given permission for this poem to be used in this way. Um, so the poem is the Yiddish word for lambs, for Maisie. They can't help themselves but be emblems of innocence as they stare, so openly curious, bright in the sunlit fields. And I remember your name for them and for me so many years ago now, Shepsela. How often was it heard in the darkness of Europe, quiet as the last word of a lullaby? And the other poem I'm going to read to you is a very famous Holocaust poem by the Romanian poet Paul Celan. It was originally written in German. The translation I'm going to read is by John Felsteiner. And towards as the poem goes on, he starts to incorporate some of the original German words, which I think makes his translation more effective than some of the other well-known ones. I think these remaining German words are thoroughly comprehensible. So, Death Fugue. Black milk of daybreak, we drink it at evening, we drink it at midday and morning, we drink it at night, we drink and we drink. We shovel a grave in the air where you won't lie too cramped. A man lives in the house, he plays with his vipers, he writes when it grows dark to Deutschland. Your golden hair, Margareta. He writes it and steps out of doors, and the stars are all sparkling. He whistles his hounds to stay close. He whistles his Jews into rows, has them shovel a grave in the ground. He commands us, play up for the dance. Black milk of daybreak, we drink you at night. We drink you at morning and midday. We drink you at evening. We drink and we drink. A man lives in the house. He plays with his vipers. He writes when it grows dark to Deutschland. Your golden hair, Margareta. Your ashen hair, Shulamith. We shovel a grave in the air where you won't lie too cramped. He shouts, dig this earth deeper, you lot there. You others, sing up and play. He grabs for the rod in his belt. He swings it. His eyes are so blue. Stick your spades deeper, you lot there. You others, play on for the dancing. Black milk of daybreak, we drink you at night. We drink you at midday and morning. We drink you at evening. We drink and we drink. A man lives in the house. Your goldenest haar, Margareta. Your ashenest haar, Shulamit. He plays with his vipers. He shouts, play death more sweetly. This death is a master from Deutschland. He shouts, scrape your strings darker. You'll rise up as smoke to the sky. You'll then have a grave in the clouds where you won't lie too cramped. Black milk of daybreak, we drink you at night. We drink you at midday. Death is a master aus Deutschland. We drink you at evening and morning. We drink and we drink. This death is ein Meister aus Deutschland. His eye, it is blue. He shoots you with shot made of lead, shoots you level and true. A man lives in the house, your goldenest Haar, Margareta. He looses his hounds on us, grants us a grave in the air. He plays with his vipers and daydreams. Der Tod ist ein Meister aus Deutschland. Dein goldenes Haar, Margareta. Dein ashenes Haar, Sulamit.